Now we're talking.
Hey everybody, this is Guy's Comic Life, and there's Matty Huge, Small But Mighty. We are at Big Fun right now, and we are checking out some cool vintage Star Wars toys. Let me show you a look around.
98.5 NCX.
It's a cool Anakin Skywalker. Never seen him. Yoda. Got a Luke. Oh man. Jawas. Dude, 2 Jawas for $5. Look at how cool that is. Jedis. Obi-Wan. We used to have that. You had this when you were a kid. Yeah, I had that one. Anakin Skywalker. Oh, sick. Almost had a boxy side. Boom, boom. Oh, Chewbacca. Box is kind of damaged up. Han Solo. And these boxes are so cool. I remember these when I was a little kid. Now this one is dope. Luke Skywalker, 15, huh? And then I got an R2. I got that here. Leia, Imperial Navy guy. Luke. What's $5? Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Nice. Ooh, wow. Peg warmers. Oh, this is cool. A Darth Vader case for your figures. The Star Wars Black Series has to do this. Make Cantina aliens. Some loose vintage stuff. We got Shadows of the Empire, Chewie, Leia, Zazor. Then over here, this is all their loose figures. Sorry if you catch my glare, guys. Captain Phasma, Black Series. And this is the really old stuff. Some play sets. Oh, that's really cool. Look at that. $70 for the Hoth play set. We got that probe droid. Oh, Millennium Falcon. Crazy. Dude, this is like a foreign figure. Obi-Wan, TIE Pilot. Lando. Nice. I always called him Walrus Man. I never knew his name was Ponda Baba. Oh, I got some red carded stuff. Oh. I used to have him. Be cool if I picked him up again. So Luke. Bosk. I had him. So cool. Medical droid. Greedo. Tusken Raider. Vintage collection. These are very hard to find. $4 only. It's not bad at all. I think Hasbro re-released this with the new Black Series packaging. Common Black Series figs. I never had this one. He looks a little too buff to me. He looks pretty damn muscular to be a rebel soldier. He wouldn't have any problems fighting his way through the Empire. It's, medical droids. Oh, they got a Tarkin. It's only $3.
There you go. Ultra classic stuff from the Eagle wrapping up the 4 o'clock hour. And you know what that means. It means we're about to push the tip off the weekend. That's right. Kick your request.
Bit for tuner.
On the highways, I don't know what's going to happen. We have to push the clutch.
This droid's awesome. R5D4. I recently picked up his Black Series. Luke with the long lightsaber. Luke with the training lightsaber. I think I'm gonna cop this. Hey guys, I got some more loose figures here. Really old stuff. Super Friends, Lex Luthor, Aquaman, Batman Returns. Got a Riddler back there. He's pretty cool. More animated series stuff back there, like Justice League. Got some 90s Batman Kenner down there. The Killer Croc's pretty neat. And down there, some random DC. Something cool here is this is a Mafex Batman. It's only $20. $20. Sorry for the glare, guys. Comics in here. Thing. Oh, cool. Look at that thing. Look at how cool this is.
Matt.
How much? 15? Wait, there's an ET Funko? Let me see. Wait. Oh, dang. Look at that. Doesn't say. You should ask. Some G.I. Joes.
Actually, let's just head out.
Not really into G.I. Joes.
Let's just head out of here, girl.
Hey, Matt. Will you buy this for me?
No.
Maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, I got you on camera saying maybe. So, we'll see, guys. We'll see. I was an idiot. Well, actually, I wasn't an idiot. My fiance took my freaking credit card and I drove all the way to Big Fun without my credit card. So, there you go. I used to have this. When we were driving down to Hilton Head one year, Matt, we went into a Walmart and I picked him up. This is a sick line. I remember these two. Oh my god. Look at this. Hobgoblin. Only $8.
How much is it?
$8.
8?
Yep.
How much is he worth?
I don't know.
$6.95.
He's probably only worth like 8.
Really?
Yeah.
I would buy it.
Batman Forever. It's a movie I grew up with. Yes, Matt, I'll give you $8 tonight. Jesus. But really, I can go to the bank and get cash. Yeah, I'll get it when Anna gets home. Spider-Man 3, worst movie ever made. Don't dislike my video if you like Spider-Man 3. It's just my personal opinion. And oh my god, is this thing amazing. Look at this. Alien. $12.50. Yeah, I'll come back. I'll come back for you. Stay safe.
We're ready to go.
Alright, we're gonna go to Barnes & Noble next. Hopefully we find something cool there.
I'm looking for the striped Teflon.
Striped Teflon.
Or Chase.
Teflon. Well guys, we just got a big fun. Matt got me a Power of the Force Star Wars toy. That's really cool. But look out here.
Yeah, I hate Ohio.
That's what you get when you live in Ohio. Should've brought the umbrella. So we all got wet. Just wanted to show everybody.
Yeah.
What are you getting?
Squirrely Diddly. I know it's kind of stupid, but I am collecting the Hanna-Barbera line.
For more Funko Pop. I don't know where they are. I think they're up here.
Uh-oh. 5-0. What they got over here? Oh, they got another Gandalf? Cool. Oh, they got 2 Gandalfs. Oh, they got the Ghost of Will Turner. First time seeing him.
Oh, dang it. Let's check through here. See what they got. Ed, never seen that.
Oh, they got Saruman down there. Yeah, Matt, we know. Hey, everybody. So I'm at Target right now. Look what I found. She's cute. I found Homecoming Suit Spider-Man. Oh my god. Look at how cool he is. They have so many of these guys. Look up here. They have 3 tech suit Spider-Mans and a Vulture. I have him already, so I'm not gonna get him. But they had 2 cases here and a Tombstone. I'm not in a rush to get him because I can tell he's gonna be a peg warmer.